In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dictation in Microsoft Word on the web. We'll start right in your browser. Open Word Online and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account so you can access your documents and the dictation feature. Once you're in, either open an existing document you want to work on or create a fresh blank one. Give it a moment to load so the toolbar is fully ready. Now look along the ribbon at the top of the page and make sure you're on the Home tab. There, you'll see the Dictate button, which looks like a small microphone. This is the tool that turns your speech into text directly in the document you're viewing. Click it once to get started. When dictation is active, you'll typically see a visual indicator that the microphone is listening. If your browser asks for permission to use your microphone, click Allow. This only needs to be done once per browser, and it enables Word to hear you clearly while you speak. Using a quiet space and speaking at a steady, natural pace will make the transcription more accurate. If you're on a laptop, try to face the built-in mic. If you're using a headset, position the mic a couple of inches from your mouth to reduce breath noise. Begin speaking, and you'll see your words appear on the page in real time. Keep your eyes on the text so you can notice how Word interprets your voice and adjust your pacing if needed. If there's background noise, pause briefly and resume when it's quieter. You can take short pauses between sentences without turning dictation off. Word will wait for you. For punctuation and simple formatting, you can include voice commands as you talk. Say period, comma, or question mark to add punctuation. Say new line to move to the next line, or new paragraph to start a new paragraph. For quick formatting tweaks, try commands like bold that right after you speak a word or phrase you want emphasized. These commands help you keep your hands off the keyboard while staying organized and clear. When you're finished, or if you just need a break, click the Dictate button again to stop listening. You can click it once more anytime to continue where you left off. That's all there is to it. Open Word Online, start dictation from the Home tab, allow microphone access if prompted, speak naturally with simple voice commands, and click Dictate again to stop. With a little practice, you'll find this is a fast, comfortable way to write.